Then weld this next piece that I was talking about before I went inside. A lot of these pieces like this here had a bolt through it, but I also put a little spot weld on that, and I can cut that spot weld and then take this piece off. I don't think I'll need that piece. And this piece, I'm pretty sure is going to change the angle of it. It has a spot weld under here too. This piece will stay. In fact, I might put a little bit more weld under there. And I'm definitely going to weld this part here. And let's just take a look at the whole thing. I might actually paint that. That would be like so unlike me. But the motor's all nice and freshly painted, so could be a good thing. I guess it's a good time to put my clamps on here too. So I think I'll do that. I'll do that before I put that back on. I can do that while it's cooling off. So I'm going to do that little bit of welding first. I need to grab my hat and my gloves for that. This is fun stuff. I like this fabricating stuff. It's pretty cool. I love making things. So I think I'm going to weld this piece right here, right where it's sitting on this bench. I think I can get a pretty good weld from that angle right there. Well, that was a good weld. That ain't never going anywhere. Alright, I'm going to take a little angle grinder now and knock off these welds, these little spot welds that I was talking about earlier. Now we get to take this and put it back on that, and then think about what to do after that. This goes here, and then we need to figure out what to do with that piece I just cut off. And I might want to spend a little time studying on this. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think I'm going to put my nuts on here to help me align what I'm looking at. This looks like it's just about in the right place, and it's pretty sturdy. Now, I might start asking myself if I actually need any more than what I have there. I'm going to have another part that works the bottom, the swing part of that alternator. But that's pretty good. I might can leave that off if I could. I would just eliminate one more bit of mess hanging on the motor. So maybe I should snug up these bolts, get the alternator, put it on there, and then get the little swing arm part. I might drill this out so that this bolt will go through it. That way I could put this here, and I could come off the bottom of here with a piece of metal that could sit right on top of this bolt, and then that could fasten right to that, and it could be removable so that I could put this part in place and then set this here. Yeah, I'm gonna drill this hole out right there. By the way, I sharpened this bit the other day. I don't know if y'all remember, I was out here, looked like I was burning the bit up, and I didn't sharpen it with the sharpener. I sharpened it with a grinder. It was a YouTuber that told me, basically explained to me how to hand sharpen a drill bit and the way to cut the angle. And I tried it using my grinder the other day on this bit. I didn't even take it off the machine. I think I just sharpened it, or maybe I did. I can't remember now. But whatever I did, it worked. It worked much better. mean? Now let's see. I got this little piece right here that I cut off of that. So I could do, I love doing this stuff. So this could go right on that. And this, I think, go right on that. I could quite literally weld this right here, spot right there, literally, and then cut this off. Could also do that same thing I did a while ago. I could come over here and spot weld it right where it's sitting. I might do that.